Welcome back to another bowling video. Today we will be listening to Roblox videos and we will be playing with our autographed stuff, and it's open bowling. So we'll switch every round.
We'll
switch every round, so I'll go first and then Parker, then Savvy.
Should we turn it up?
Yeah.
We have 6 of them. So 2 on each. We got 2.
Savvy, watch out, I'm first. We each get only 2 pins. We're not going to really tell you what happened, but we kind of will. I knocked down both 2. Okay, while I pick them up, Parker, go. Parker, go.
Where's the fan?
Okay. Sav, you're up. Behind the fan. Or there isn't a fan anymore.
Yeah.
Behind here.
Okay, I'll just have a good time.
Yeah.
Right here.
She hit the camera.
Sorry guys, I didn't really hit
Okay,
the
now I'm up again.
I'm usually the one who hits the game.
Sav, you're right to knock over your pen. Oh, I was 2 across the line, so that doesn't count. Knocked out, Parker, you're up.
Okay.
Okay, balls are here.
Guys, you want me to get it? We're not keeping
it.
score. It's just
We're not keeping score. Once this video hits 10 minutes, we'll stop.
and make a part 2.
No, we won't. We'll make the autograph show. Okay, pick yours up, pick yours up, pick yours up. You're up, Sav.
Sab, yours is over on the. You can only tell which one's mine.
Yeah. We'll tell you what happens if. Go. It doesn't really matter. It's open bowl. Oh, what a shot. She got 0. This song's goated.
It's about prisoners.
Move your foot. Oh, I got 1. Parker. One.
Hey, did he count?
Yeah, it doesn't.
He wasn't. Yeah, but it's open.
It's open bowling. You just don't really want to do it.
You don't really need to do. So you don't have to be on the line.
But you want to because it's practice.
You said Emma.
She got 1. Okay, pick it up, Savvy, and put it back.
Sorry, guys. I just bumped my.
Oh, I got 1. Parker.
The old lighting of green that moves. Got 1.
You got 1. Sav. No, Parker, pick it up.
Pick
Oh,
it
yeah.
up. There. If you knock someone else's down pin, you lose it. You just don't, it doesn't count.
No, that was Parker's. Savvy.
I hate for mine.
You're up, wait, switch.
Yeah. I didn't mean to. Sam had to put it up though.
I got 1. Go pick it up.
Aaron's hit Parker. Yours is so close to mine, so I barely. You gotta make it close. There. Sam!
We're at 3 minutes already.
Okay.
Almost 4. Strike!
Ooh. You almost
Here,
knocked
Sav.
mine.
Pick them up. Pick them up.
Parker,
Pick them up.
Jason,
Okay,
you
next
let
video.
that shit down. I didn't say anything. Wait, get off, remember?
No, it won't. It's a playlist, remember? Oh. Remember, it's a playlist. And I clicked play all. She missed.
Wait.
Oh, wait.
Hey,
Well, I wanted to win. Guys, I call this the Bangarang Hot Shot. I missed.
I call this Mason Yacht is big.
Oh, the camera! The camera!
You guys okay?
You guys good?
Yeah. Where'd the ball go? I think it was
Under the...
Yeah, it is. I got this. I got it. You can't put your hand that far, Sam. Parker, you got this. Yeah, I'll grab it. No, I can kick it.
Kick it my way.
It's too deep. I know.
Okay.
You.
That will be the end of open bowling, guys. We're going to have to find a way to get the ball.
Guys, I know how.